Hello guys and welcome back. So now in this video we will add a footstep to our zombies. So as you know, first of all we need to select this zombie 1 and then inside the zombies we have the zombie 1. Let's go inside the zombie 1 animation. Right here is all of the animation for the zombie 1. Let's drag and drop the zombie 1. And what we will do right here is add the events. Okay, this is the same as we did for the player, so we will add one footstep there. So let's name this function as step, click apply. After this will be the second step, so add step, click apply. Okay, after the walk we have the zombie run. So actually let's just add a function here by the name of step. Whoops, step there, and after this add a step sound there. Okay, so name this as step, click apply. After the run let's add to this death animation as well. He will play a step there, so let's add a step there as well, and then here as well. So step, let's apply. And now for this zombie all of the animations are done. Let's do this for the other zombie, which is zombie 2. Go inside the animations and we have the animations right here. Okay, let's select this falling back right here. We don't have to add any. In the run we need to add a function right here, so when you take a step there, let's add a step. After that add a step there, so step, and make this loop time and loop pause. I think we can just leave this as it is. Now after the okay, it was this one. Okay, we don't have to add there. We want to add it in this animation, which is running place. Whoop. Let's add a footstep there, so step, then add a footstep there, so step, and we can add a footstep there as well, then here as well, so step, and then after that it will repeat, so it will just work just fine. So after the run in place we have the walk, and then this walk, which is really slow walk. Okay, then we have that walk and this walk as well, and then this walk, but we don't want the walk, we want just this zombie to run, and we have added that. Now let's go inside the zombie 3, then the scary zombie pack. Let's select the walking, and I think it was the zombie 3. Yep, here it is. Let's add a step function in here. Whoops. Let me delete that. Let's go back and add a step there. Click apply. Then add a step right here at the start. So add step. After this, let's select this one. Okay, let's add a step there. Let's name this as step. Click apply. Then add a step there. So click apply. That's it. We have the zombie attack. We don't want anything here. Then select this one. Okay, let's add a step right here. Step and another step right here. And after that he will fall. And also we need the running animation. It is right here. Let's add a step right here. Why is this animation not in loop time and loop pose? Add that as well. And then in the running, add a step there. Whoops. Okay, there, and then add a step right there. Click apply. Okay, now let's go into the zombies again. Let's select the zombie 4. Let's go inside the animation, walking. I think this is for the zombie 4. Why are those not in the loop time? Set this in loop time first of all, and then loop pose. Click apply, then this one as well. Click apply. Can you select both? Nope. You can select only one at a time. First step there. So step, and then the next step there. I think in the start. And let's add it right here as well. Let's add a step at the start. And then a step there. That's it. Then in the zombie running, let's add a step there. So step, and let's add a step right here. That's it. One step here, and one right here. That's it. We have now the zombie 4. Come on, man. I think this zombie 4 was this zombie 3. Yep. So let's set this to loop time, loop pause. Now let's add a step there and then a step right there. Let's select the second one now and add a step right here. Click apply and then right here at the start. And now let's select the zombie running. Let's set a step there. So step, click apply, then add a step there and click apply. Then for this one as well, let's add a step here. Okay, and then add a step right here. Click apply. And that's it. Now we don't have, okay, we have the zombie, this one as well. So for this one, what we need to do is to drag and drop this. Okay, for the beast, for the walking, we will add a step there. First of all, make this loop time and loop pause. Okay, we didn't add the zombie, so that's why the loop time and loop pause is not set. Okay, so now right here, add a step. Whoops. Okay, one step right here, and then the next one right at the start. I'm just doing this for all of the zombies so that you guys can see it and then add it in your own game as well. Will we add both? No. Select the second walking, loop time, loop pause, click apply. Okay, let's play it. As you can see, here is the step 1 and here is the step 2 at the start. That's it. Now let's select this zombie falling. You will take one step there, one right there, then right here. Click apply, and then the zombie running. Now this loop time, loop pause, click apply, and in here we will add a step there. So step, and then step. Whoa. Okay, so we have added all of these steps now. Now let's simply add the script to our zombies right here, which is inside the scene. So go inside the scripts. Here is the footstep script. Drag and drop that in there. And these zombies will only play one footstep. And make sure that you add a audio source to each zombie. So let me select all of the zombie and add an audio source to all of them. And then at the first zombie we added the script. Now let's add it to the other ones as well. Right there. and set this to 1, and then let's select all of the zombies and then add the footstep. Where is it? Zombie footstep, add that there. And now for testing purposes, let's hear the footstep in full sound. As you can see, the footsteps work, but we need to make the volume 0.44 or 0.04. Okay, and make the next distance 10. That's it for all of them. Now let's play it. As you can see now, this zombie is walking, and that zombie is running towards me. Okay, also add the same sounds to this zombie as well. So let's add an audio source to this, make the volume 0.04 and make this 3D. And also guys, select these 4 zombies as well and make the sound 3D. Okay, the next distance set it to 5, and right here we make it 3D. Let's set this to 5 as well, and then let's add the script to this. And the scripts, let's drag and drop that in there. Open prefab. Okay, let's set the script in the prefab here. Let's add one footstep, and let's add the zombie footstep there. That's it. Now click on this and click on apply all. Okay, now if we play it, now when we come closer, now the sound is 3D. Okay, we made the sound 3D. Now when you come closer to the enemy, then you will be hearing the sound. As you can see, you can now hear the zombie sound as well. But actually, let me select all of them in the audios. Let's make their max distance 10, or actually make it 12, and make the footstep sound 0.6. Okay, now if we save it, okay, it is 3D right there. And as you can see, we can't hear it right here, but when we get in range, as you can see, you can hear the sound. You can notice it. As you can see, the zombie sound is playing. You can actually make the sound a little bit more higher, and maybe then we can hear it. Now you can hear the zombie sound. Just make the volume a little bit more. You can hear it now. As you can see, he is running towards us. Okay, so now the footsteps work on the zombies as well now, and you can do the same things for the other scenes as well. Okay, for this Zombieland 1, let's focus upon the player. The player has the footstep sounds, but the zombie doesn't have any footstep sounds, so we can actually select all of the zombie and add audio source like this, and in the audio source make the max distance 5 and the volume this much higher, and after this we can add the script. So if we go inside the scripts, we have the script right there. Let's drag and drop that up there. Okay, let's not select the prefab for now, and let's now add it. Okay, we have added it, and now in the audios let's select the zombie footstep. For this one we added the audio source already. Okay, it is 3D and everything is set up. Just click on apply all, and as you can notice we have the footstep sound right here. Now it will play footstep sound in this one as well. Let's play it. You will notice the sound. Okay, and actually select all of the zombies, make the sound 3D, and in the spawn points also make the sound 3D. Okay, it is already 3D, and we have the script attached. Now if you play it, now you will not hear the sounds, but when we are in the range then we can only hear the sound. Okay, so make sure that you make the sound 3D as well. Now you can hear the zombie sound when we are in range. You can also do the same for the other scene as well, which is this one, zombie 1.